This place looks like a foodie's dream, but is it actually worth stopping at? Foodie friends, this is Assembly Food Hall, a massive food hall right in the heart of downtown Nashville, with dozens of different restaurants all in one place. You've got everything from seafood, tacos, burgers, sushi, literally something for everyone. And honestly, the prices are pretty much what you'd expect for a prime tourist location. Most meals are around $18 to $25, which isn't crazy for downtown Nashville, but it's also not somewhere you're coming to save money. I ended up trying the smoked wings from Smokin' Chicken. I paid $15 for 3 whole wings, and honestly, they were better than what I expected, but nothing I'd go out of my way for again. So here's how I see it. If you're visiting Nashville and want a bunch of options in one spot, this is super convenient. But if you're looking for the best food for the best price, you could probably find it better outside of here. So not a bad spot, just know you're paying for location and convenience.